Yeah.
Thank you for watching our music video. That's my debut single, Carry
Yes.
On.
Wow, napakaganda. We saw it earlier. But Miss Sharina, we would like to know, saan po natin ito mapapanood or where is it available, your latest single?
It's streaming right now on Spotify, Apple Music, and other 22 digital stores online. So pwede po ninyo tong ma-stream at mapakinggan under my screen name, my artist name, my first full name, Charina Carmen. I composed this song together with a friend, and I have other songs which I composed and others composed by H Music, Miss Marjo Andap. So sana po pakinggan pakinggan ninyo. Part ito ng advocacy ko, Alec.
Wow,
Yes.
what kind of advocacy
Empowerment.
is that?
So as you can see, carry on means whatever you're going through, never give up. Someone got your back, especially someone up there.
Wow.
Just carry on.
Yes, so napakagandang mensahe from Miss Sharina and from that song. Very empowering. So we hope na mga kababayan natin nandito tonight, mapakinggan po ninyo ang bagong kanta ng ating napakagandang si Miss Sharina. Palapakan po natin.
Salamat po.
And of course, Miss Sharina, I think, are you ready for questions coming from our media?
Yes, of course. I love ko yan.